So what do you do before kids get the iPads? First of all, you need to really think about what are those expectations and work with your students on creating your class set of expectations. The other thing you're going to want to think about, and you may want to do this with a small group of people or with more people from your building, is set goals for use. So how are you going to be using the iPads in your classroom? What are the things that you're wanting to see students produce? What are you wanting them to be able to do?
And there's so much to, we feel like maybe this is one more thing, so definitely connect it with goals that you already have for your classroom. So if one of your goals is to work on writing or to use the ACE writing strategy or to monitor independent reading, make sure that you're connecting this work to that. We do not want this to be one more thing. We want this to be a way to make that thing easier,
right.
And more engaging for kids. So the next thing that you want to be sure you do prior to rollout is just setting the logistics and procedures for your classroom. So making sure you have things posted, steps for use. So if you have a procedure that you want kids to go through before they get their iPad out of the cart, or where that needs to go at the end of the day, or if there's something in the middle of class that you need to break up, and you know, so anything that you're doing, just make sure that that's posted, make sure that you have all of those logistics kind of thought out, and have shared those with the students.
Mm-hmm.